Hello friends, welcome back to the channel again. So there is a news in the Yes Bank today, and that news is very important. If you see my screen, Yes Bank share price slides after Q4 business updates. So what is the business update is, we'll discuss in detail. Yes Bank share price slipped over 4% in trade on Friday, that is today, April 4th, following the March quarter Q4 business update for the recently concluded financial year 2024-25, that is FY25. The private lender stocks declined even as the lender reported an increase in major key matrices. So what are those major key matrices where there is an increase? We'll see that in the further slides. But even though there is an increase in the major key matrices, the S Bank share price has dropped almost 4% in today's trading session. And the Yes Bank's Q4 business updates are as below. Here you can see Yes Bank in an exchange filing last evening reported an 8.2% year-on-year increase in loans and advances to 2,36,539 crore from 2,27,799 crore on a sequential basis. So here is the this is the important numbers we can see. And on a sequential basis, the lenders loans and advances grew by 0.7%. So this is the important actually loans and advances. Apart from that, if you see here, its deposit including CASA. CASA is nothing but current account, saving account. This is very much very important for all the banks, because this is the good revenue for the banks, because this is they give nominal very nominal interest to the customers, and they use this money to to give it to others in the form of loans. Okay, loans and advances. So that is the reason. So CASA is improved actually. So hence, like including CASA deposits saw a 6.8% rise to 2,84,488 crore from 2,66,377 372 crores. So this is the jump, almost 6.8% jump in the CASA deposits, and it's a good sign as well. While the CASA deposits increased by 18.4% year on year, you can see here this is 18.4 year on year to 97,443 crore. The CASA ratio improved to 34.3% from 30.9%. So this is good news actually. This is the good sign. There is improvement in the CASA deposits as well as the the CASA ratio. You can see there is increased. So this is the good news and this is the good sign. But even though there is a drop in the share price in today's trading session, so apart from that, the credit to deposit ratio rose to 86.7% in the March 2025 quarter from 85.5% in the preceding quarter last year. If you compare to March 2024 with the March 2025, there is a slight increase in the credit to deposit ratio as well, and liquidity coverage ratio jumped to 125% from 116.1%, that is year on year. Okay, when the lender started, this is also good numbers and good sign as well. In order to gain, or in order to to increase the profitability of the bank. So these are the good signals, like CASA ratio or CASA deposits, credit to deposit ratio. So okay, so and along with that, despite a slight miss on the NII, the bank's strong profit growth, improved deposit mix, and steady asset quality reflect growing stability and improving. So if you see the Yes Bank's Yes Bank share price trend, Yes Bank stock dropped 4% to hit the day's low, that is 17 rupees 21 paisa, against its previous close price of 17 rupees 95 paisa. So the stock is trading close to its 52-week low, which is 16 rupees 0.2 paisa, which is declined to 40% from 52-week high level, that is 28.30 scale. Here it is 28 rupees 50 paisa, scaled in April 2024. In the last 1 year, Yes Bank stock has lost 31%, while in the past 5 years it has dropped 28%. So this is the bad performance of the Yes Bank. On the other side, but yeah, in the current stage, there are some improvements we are observing in the Yes Bank. A bullish or bearish trend can be assumed on the breakage of either side of the range. Once the Yes Bank share price closes above 18 rupees, so we may expect the banking stock to touch 20 soon, and even 21 a piece. So Yes Bank shareholders are advised to hold the script, maintaining a stop loss of 16 rupees. Fresh investors can also buy Yes Bank shares at the current market price for the near term target of rupees 20 or 21. However, they must maintain a stop loss of 16 while taking any fresh position in this stock. Yes, considering these financial numbers, considering these important updates, even we can keep this script. We can hold on Yes Bank and wait for the further rise. Next level is 20 rupees and 21 rupees. This is what the prediction is. But yes, before doing this, we need to consider the dark side as well, considering the the market trend, especially for the Yes Bank. In the 3 years and in the 5 years term, the stock has dropped almost 20 to 32%. So that is also important news we need to consider for this Yes Bank share. So yeah, this is one important. Actually, this letter was submitted on April 3rd. If you see here, this was submitted on April 3rd, okay, to NSE and BSE, and this is the we spoke in the first slide. These are the numbers. So they have given intimation under SEBI, listing and obligation and disclosure requirement regulation 2015, in accordance with the SEBI, that is regulation 2015 code and practice and procedures of fair disclosure of unpublished price sensitive information. So this is unpublished, you can see price sensitive information in terms of regulations 8 of SEBI, that is prohibition of insider trading regulation 2015. The bank would like to intimate the following. So this is what we discussed, and they have given clear cut on the Yes Bank letter they submitted to the exchanges. Loans and advances, if you see this one, on 31st March 2024 it was 2,27,799, whereas in 31st March 2025 2,46,539. so year on year 8.2% growth here you can see. So say similar way here, we have deposit under you can see CASA deposits and CASA ratio. This is also almost CASA is 18.4% increase. If you see in March 2024 82,317 crores, whereas in 31st March 2025 it is 97,443 crores. So this is 18.4%. This is a good jump. Similar way the ratio, if you see 30.9% and 34.3%. So it's a good jump in the numbers. Even liquidity ratio, liquidity coverage, credit to deposit ratio overall is good. The facts and figures what we can see in this letter, which is submitted by Yes Bank to the NSE and BSE on 3rd April. Okay, so overall the script is looks good, but if anyone wants to hold or wanted to make a fresh position in this Yes Bank, definitely we need to consider to your personal finance advisors, and then only take calculated risk, and then you can make a position in this bank. But yeah, otherwise please consult your personal finance advisors and then take a position accordingly. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. If you're liking content on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video with your family and friends. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you so much.